Ready to transform your messy business tasks into a super efficient, automated machine using WhatsApp. Let's dive into connecting Pabbly Connect with Aisensy for seamless WhatsApp automation. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account, or create one, if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the Create Workflow button, give your workflow a descriptive name, something like WhatsApp Automation, and then click Create. Now, let's set up our trigger search for and select the app you want to use as a trigger, the app that will initiate the workflow. For example, if you want to send a WhatsApp message when someone fills out a form, you would select that app. Next, it's time to add the action, what we want to happen when the trigger is activated. Search for and select Aisensy. Choose your desired action event. Most likely, you'll want to select Send WhatsApp Message. Now, click the Connect button. You'll be prompted to add a new connection or select an existing one. To connect to Aisensy, you'll need your API key. Log into your Aisensy account and find your API key in your Profile or Settings section. Copy and paste the key into Pabbly Connect and click Save. Now, map the data from your trigger app to the required fields in the Aisensy action step. This tells Pabbly Connect what information from the trigger should be sent in the WhatsApp message, like the recipient's phone number and the message content. Before activating the workflow, click on the Save and Send Test Request button to ensure everything is working correctly. Check your WhatsApp to confirm that the test message was successfully sent. If everything looks good, toggle the workflow status to on to activate your automation. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Pabbly Connect with Aisensy, unlocking the power of WhatsApp automation for your business.